How to change app icons. What do you think about the default icons on your PC? Well, you can make your PC more unique by customizing the themes and fonts. But you can take this to a whole new level by changing your app icons. After watching this video, you would be able to do just that. So watch out and pay attention, and you could have your own personal touch on your computer. But first, why change your app icons? Besides killing boredom and getting more bragging rights, doing this would not just make your desktop look catchy, but also more user-friendly. And Windows has a collection of built-in icons, but they might not be to your liking. So you can choose from the net or even make your own. However, you have to keep in mind that your PC could only use .ico files as an icon. So if you plan to use an existing photo, then let's try converting it first. Okay, for example, you've chosen and saved the photo of your cutie hamster. Then you just have to open your browser and type in the website icoconvert.com. Next, you have to upload that image. So look for the choose file, then click it. If you did that correctly, then a window will pop up where you have to locate the photo you've got. After that, click upload. Then the photo you've chosen will be shown, and you have to click, drag, and select the part you want to be included in the final icon. And the final touches. Scroll down, then you'll see the style options and choose whatever shape of your liking. Then choose 256 by 256 for the custom sizes and click Convert ICO. With that, you just made your first customized icon. Wait, don't forget to download it so we can use it later on. Well, to set your expectations, changing icons in Windows are limited only to shortcuts and folders. So make sure that the apps on your desktop would be shortcuts. And if not, just create a shortcut of it. So first, select the shortcut you like to customize, then right-click it and select Properties. A window will pop up where you should look for the Shortcut tab, and click the Change Icon button. After that, click Browse, then find that .ico photo you've just downloaded, then choose it. After that, just click the OK button. Congrats! You just got your app icon changed. You've just discovered this amazing guide about changing your app icons. And now, click this, and let's see the next amazing topic.